welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Linda. If this is your first time of seeing me, you're welcome, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click on the red subscribe button down below. Afterwards, you click on the bell icon, that way you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I make the famous Popeyes chicken sandwich. Oh yes, so let's get into this video. I don't want to waste much of your time. If you've not subscribed, like I said, please do so, please, and give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoy what you see. So and I'll see you on my next video. So let's quickly rush into this video, okay, before it's sold out. All right, guys. So for this recipe, we're going to be needing some chicken breast. So what I'll be doing here is I'm just going to clean it up, then take out the excess, the fat. So we don't want fat in there, so we're just going to take it off. Then I'm going to be rinsing the chicken out, so you know we want it nice. And when I'm done rinsing the chicken, I'm just going to be taking a paper towel and dry the excess water on it. So when it's nice and dry, we want it to be thin but not too thin. If you've tasted the Popeyes chicken, you know it's very thick, so we're just going to beat it up, you know, a little bit, just to flatten it a little bit, because we don't want it too thick so it can cook through. So I'll be using a rolling pin to flatten it out, not so much, okay? So after that, I'm just going to mix all my spices together. In there I have some paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper with some star cube. We want it spicy. Yeah, it's spicy chicken, Popeyes spicy chicken. So when the ingredients are in the bowl, I'm just going to stir them and mix them up, you know, so it's well mixed. Then I'm going to set it aside. Then in here I have the chicken, which we've already cleaned and all those stuff. Then I'm going to be adding some salt. We want this chicken to be very flavorful. We want all the season to get into that chicken. We want it to get into that chicken. We want every bite to be very flavorful. So I'll be adding the season mix. I'll be adding to the chicken. You want it well coated in and out, everywhere, the corner, the side, everywhere you can add that spice, put them in, okay? Yes, you may think the spice is too much, but it's really not too much. We want it to be well, very seasoned. So when we're done with that, we're just going to take in our buttermilk. So we'll be putting the chicken in the buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk at hand, you can use whole milk and some vinegar, so you get your buttermilk, okay? So I'm just going to soak the chicken in the buttermilk, and I'm going to cover it and put it in the fridge to marinate for at least an hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours, or you can leave it overnight if you choose to. That means your chicken will be so juicy and flavorful. So I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill for about an hour, 30 minutes. Then in here I have some flour, so we're going to be making our breading, some cornstarch, then more garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, and some cayenne pepper. We want it hot. Yes, a spicy chicken. It is spicy chicken. So I'm just going to be mixing it up. Then don't be afraid to taste the flour, okay, because you want your season to be, you know, on point. So I'll be tasting my flour, so if I'll need to add any more seasoning. So I did not show where I added the salt. You can add salt to the breading as well. So there I'm added some black pepper for some extra flavor. So when I'm done mixing all the seasoning, I'm just going to be adding some eggs and some buttermilk, some more seasoning. Yeah, add some more seasoning because we want this chicken to be very, very flavorful. Yeah, we want it to be. So I'm just going to beat the eggs, then I'm going to set it aside as well. So an hour 30 minutes later, the chicken is well marinated like it's. So this is what we're looking for. So we're going to start, dipping the chicken to the breading. So first of all, I'm going to dust the excess liquid. Then I'm going to dip the chicken to the flour and make sure it's well coated. Then I'm also I'll be doing this twice. So dip the chicken in the flour, dust it, then put it back in your egg mix, your egg and the milk. Then you just let the excess egg drip off, then put it back in the bread. And so you're basically going to do this twice. Then you're going to set it aside. Then repeat it for your whole chicken, the other chicken that that I have also.
See what I put you in me in. I cover up both my ears, 'cause I know, baby, it's working. It's working. Never shake you off. You're stickier than the super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. I'm never shaking you off. I'm never shaking. I'm never shaking. I'm never shaking. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you off.
So when I'm done with all the chicken, I'm just be using 2 chicken for this recipe. So you can use more if you want. It's super flavorful. I'll leave the list of ingredients and measurements in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So when I'm done with that, I'm just going to move over to the stove and I'll be adding some butter. So we're just going to be toasting our bun. So I have this nice fresh looking bun, so I'll just be toasting it out. Then when it's done toasting, I'm going to take it out from the stove. So it's well toasted right now. So in here I've already heat up my oil in a pan, so I'll be frying the chicken because it's fried chicken, spicy fried chicken, so you have to fry your chicken. So I'll be frying my chicken. You want it to be nice and golden and brown. You still want it crispy at the outside and juicy on the inside. So make sure your stove is not too high, okay, so it won't get, so the breading will get burnt. So when it's done, it should look like this. Look at that, nice and golden brown. It's super crispy at the outside and super juicy and flavorful on the inside. So we're going to take this out and put them in a paper towel so the oil will drain. So when we're done with that, I'm just going to add some mayo. This mayo that I'll be using is spicy mayo, so this is just the leftover from the one I used before. It's just mayonnaise. Then I added some cayenne pepper and some paprika, then I mixed it up together. So that's what we have there. So I'll be adding some pickles. You don't have to add pickles, but if you want to make the Popeyes chicken, it always comes with pickles. So I'm just going to lay the chicken down, and voila, your spicy chicken is ready to go. This chicken was super delicious. Like when I say super delicious, it was super delicious. It was crispy, it was juicy, it was like, oh my goodness, it was so good, guys. So Make sure you check the list of ingredients in the description box down below. I'll see you all in my next video. So here is just a video of me the first time when I went to try the new Popeyes chicken sandwich. Like, if you see, look at the queue. Like, cars were literally lined up for this sandwich. They were literally lined up for this sandwich. So if you can't find the sandwich close to where you live, or it's taking you so much time standing on the queue for the sandwich, go ahead and make this, okay? It tastes absolutely the same. So when I went into the Popeyes shop, people were still lining up in the store. So please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel.